Hey everybody, my name is Brady Keith, and I'm here for AEP 800. This is my second year teaching, and I teach 7th grade, 9th grade, and one section of 12th grade English, as well as a creative writing class at Bennington Junior Senior High School. Um, like I said, this is my second year teaching, and before that, I was working in agriculture, and so it was a little bit of a switch. But I mean, I'd gotten into agriculture just as kind of a transition job until I could find a teaching job that I was excited about, and I found that at Bennington. So as far as technology goes, I I hadn't really been big on technology when I was in college because I mean really it was just a lot of Socratic seminars and MLA essays, and so about all I really used in college was Word and searching the internet and and some like JSTOR and those types of things. So I pretty much started from ground zero as far as technology goes, and now I feel pretty comfortable. We're a 1-to-1 school at Bennington. We're also a summit school, and so at first it was pretty daunting. Because when I thought about myself as a teacher, I'd always thought of myself as the lecture kind of guy, and you know being a summit school, we just don't do that as much as like I had been taught. When I was taught, it was mostly Socratic seminars, like I said, and group discussions and those sorts of things. And so my teaching style has changed according to the times, which I think is good. Um, but anyway, so I'd say overall I feel pretty comfortable with technology. And I have a smart TV in my room, and like I have a MacBook, and we use Prezis and um, YouTube, and we do all kinds of things. And so compared to the pros, I'm probably not as tech savvy as the experts out there, but just compared to their average Joe, I guess I'm a little ahead of the ball game. So anyway, I'm excited to learn even more in this course that I can introduce to my students. Um, you know, as the world gets more and more technological, I think in public schools we need to try and meet that wave. So like I said, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to get to know you guys a little bit and to see what we can learn together. So appreciate your time. Thanks.